So here's the app. It's called Measure Everything. So check this out. That's you, Landon.
And how about me?
And then that's Aiden's. So go ahead and click Measure right here. There you go.
It's not mine.
This is yours. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and click Measure. Nice. So let's see what it says. You just detected a surface. You see that?
What does surface mean?
I don't know.
A surface. This is like the table is a flat surface, or the ground is a surface. So check this out. Come and press the plus sign. Oh, look. So Aiden is measuring how many apples long this table is. You see that on the screen?
Whoa.
That's cool.
So it's pretending that there's apples there, but it can see how big an apple is and how it will look on the screen.
All right, but usually, guys, when we measure things, we measure in inches and feet. So let's go ahead and change the measurement to inches and feet here.
What did you say?
This is the squirrel.
A squirtle?
Yeah. I know the squirrel.
Squirtle. You want to hold that squirtle? I think those are called squirrels, baby.
There's the squirrel eating that.
The squirrel is eating. Yeah.
I want to touch the squirrel.
You want to touch it? See if you can catch it. Go. Go. There it is. Look, look, look. Are you catching it yet?
No.
Try to catch it. Come here, come here, come here.
You catch it.
Huh?
You catch it.
Me catch it?
Yeah.
I catch it.
Yeah.
Oh, it's too fast. I think it climbed up the tree. Oh, there it is.
Where is it?
Oh, it's so fast. I wonder how high it climbed.
Cool. So you see right now it's on apples. So you can actually change this to right here. So measuring systems, you can change it to, we have inches, feet, and yards. What's the first thing you want to measure? What's something out here you want to measure?
I want to measure a tree.
You want to measure a tree? All right, so with the tree, let's go with feet. We're going to go with feet for the tree. So go ahead and click foot. So right there.
I'm good foot.
There you go. So now we're measuring in feet. You want to do feet too, Aiden?
Yeah.
All right, so we're going to do feet. You hold your phone. You hold yours. And let's go measure a tree. Let's go. Lane, you want to do this one or that one? You want to do this one?
Thank you, I'll hold it.
Look at me. Right now, hang.
So look, so I figured it out. When you move this little trigger here, it makes it to where you're measuring side by side, like the arrows. And you move it here, that's what makes it go up and down. So now, put it close to the ground, Landon, right here. Close to the bottom and press the plus sign. And then start going up the tree. So we see how tall it is. 3 feet, keep going, 4 feet, 5 feet, 6 feet.
Look at it.
Let me see.
My turn.
Oh, that's a tall tree. So it says, let's see. It says that this tree is almost 17 feet tall. Look at that.
What?
That's pretty cool.
Wow.
Nice.
That's a pretty tall tree.
I'll just swing it from there.
From up there.
I'll climb too. Whoa.
And swing. Nice.
I'm a doggy fan. I'm a doggy fan. I'm a doggy fan.
All right, so look, we're gonna measure the garbage can. Here, Landon, you hold your phone. Now, go over there. You start at the bottom. Let me help you, Aiden. Start at the bottom of the can, and you press the plus sign.
Oh! Look how tall it is. Look it, Papa.
And then you press the check. There you go. So it's like the garbage can. It
Look
says
it.
it's about 3 feet tall. Yep, for you too, Landon. Nice, about 3 feet tall.
Nice measuring, Aiden and Landon. Just don't touch the can.
Nice, that's cool. All right, guys, so now we're about to measure a blade of grass. Now, that one's a little smaller than a tree and a garbage can. So we're gonna switch our measurement from feet to inches, because inches is a little smaller. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, Landon, so let's go ahead and change it from feet. Right, that's on feet. FT is for feet. And we're gonna put it on US again, and we can do inches. That's a little smaller. Now, since we're measuring not how tall something is, but how, like, the length of something instead, we're gonna switch it back here. That's so cool. Landon, come check it out.
Let's see.
So it says that it's about 1 inch long. That's what it popped up as. It said 1 inch long.
Okay. Let's measure some stuff over there.
All right, let's go.
A bee just went on on the side of my forehead.
Let's
Open the door now.
What about I put you on top? Can Mama carry Aiden on top, do you guys think?
Open
Is
the
Mama strong
door.
enough? I think so. Ready? Jump! Woo! You did it! I wonder how tall that wall was that Ian jumped
Hey,
on.
guys, come here. You need to open that door.
Oh, is that a secret door? It looks like one. Hey, I had an idea. We can measure the secret door. What do you think? Shall we measure the secret door after?
No, we should do it then.
Right now? Right now?
Yeah.
I like that plan. Let's do it. Hello? Is anybody home?
This is not a house door.
Oh, what
This
is
is a secret door.
Oh, here, let's measure. Here's
secret.
yours. Aiden, you want to take yours? Landon, you can tell me how tall it is. And Aiden, you can tell me how wide it is.
Come
Let's
here.
do that.
Look at Mama. Look how tall it is.
How tall is it? Can you go up? Yeah, I like that. That's a good measurement.
Papa, come here. Look
How
at
tall did it say?
Let's see. Try it again. 83 inches. Let's try, maybe try feet. Shall we do feet? I think you need to teach Mama how to do this.
Inches.
Press inches,
And then press US.
US, because we're in the United States, and feet.
Sweet.
So we first measured the door in inches, and it said it was 83 inches long. Now we're going to measure in feet. And then look, how many feet does it say it is? How many feet tall?
7 feet tall.
Whoa, more than 7 feet tall. That's pretty tall.
Mama, you have an actual measuring tape too, right?
I do.
Let's go ahead and check to see if it's 7 feet tall.
Look at that, guys. Check it out. If you lift this up, it's a little hard to kind of pull it. So you push this button so it can release it, and now it comes out really smoothly. So I'm gonna start on top because I can't go all the way on top. If I start from the bottom, I won't be able to reach all the way to the top. I'm not as tall. So I'm gonna start all the way from the top, right there. Can you help me?
It can be like this if you want.
Bring it more straight so we can get an accurate measurement. Look, friends, we're at 7 feet right here. And we have some inches going down. Look at that. And how many inches do we have? You want me to show you how to read that?
I do not know.
Can you hold this right here, please?
Not to read.
7 feet and 1 inch. From this number to this number is 2 inches. Then the next number is 3 inches. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Almost about 10 inches. So 7 feet and 10 inches. Woo!
Okay, let's measure.
Pretty close.
That's a tall door.
Landon, find some sticks and let's bring it on the table over here. You found one? Oh, bring them over. They're 2 different sizes too. That's perfect.
I found something. Whoa. Pretty little flower on it.
So we're gonna measure how long this is. Check this out. I'm gonna start here and click, and then just go straight across the stick. Now the stick is kind of blending in with the table a little bit. So it says it's about 1 foot, but I think I should have switched that over to inches. because the stick is a little smaller. Inches are smaller than feet. So I'm gonna go ahead and switch this over to inches. All right, here you go, Landon. You do it.
Okay.
So you're gonna press the plus sign at where the stick starts, right there. Over, keep going. When you get to the end of the stick, right there. Nice. How long did it say it is? How many? What?
Oh, it's real.
What does it say? More than 6 inches. There you go. Good reading. Good job, people. Let's see how long. Let's see how long that one is.
Let's see how long this one is.
You see that one?
Because this one's super long.
Press the eraser. And we're going to erase that. And you're going to go and measure this one out. Go
We're
ahead.
gonna erase what?
Because it already shows 6 inches for the last one. Now we're starting it over for the next stick.
Beep, 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 beep.
5 inches, 6 inches, 7 inches, 8 inches, 9 inches, 10 inches, 11 inches, 12 inches. Oh, come up to the flag. Let's see what it says. What does it say?
12 inches. A little cutie.
All right, here, Aiden. Now it's your turn to measure, Aiden. Here you go. And we're gonna switch this over to inches for you as well. There we go. All right, here. And you start it right there. Press the plus sign. Good job. And we're gonna go over till we finish the whole stick. Right there. All right, now press the check mark. All right, so look. So that is, whoa, 4 units, 4 inches long. That's so.
Is that robot?
Yeah, it looks like a robot.
There's a robot in the park.
Why is that robot?
They just put different pictures each time.
It's that robot in the park.
I think robots are really good at counting and measuring. Yeah.
And dancing and doing glue.
Dancing, how's the robot dance? Oh, yeah.
I am getting tired. Actually. His battery runs out when he falls asleep. His battery runs.
Ooh. Oh,
Mama,
looks like an
I
acorn. Okay, let's save it for later.
I'm gonna put it in my pocket.
Sure, why not?
I don't have pockets.
Oh, that's okay. You can leave it on the floor.
Oh, you do have pockets.
Oh, well, I'm glad you found them. That's
Well,
a pocket.
first they weren't there, and then it just appeared.
Just like the robot in the grass. It wasn't there, but then it appeared. That's really cool.
Yeah, and the flags.
I know.
I need to measure Mama.
You gonna measure how tall Mama is? Let's try it.
Okay. I am here. It's time to measure me. Woo, 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 woo.
How tall is Mama?
5.
Let me read it. No, it says more than 5 feet.
That's true. I'm 5 feet and a couple inches, so that's right. Wow.
All right, Aiden, do you want to measure Mama in feet or in apples? Apples. All right, so let's measure it in apples. So here, press this button.
Right here?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
And click on the apple. Mm-hmm. Click on the apple again. All right. There we go. All right, Aiden, so you want to put it by Mama's hand. Hold it up.
Hold it up. See Mama's hand in the camera?
Now press the plus sign.
Mommy, you dirty.
What? No, not.
So start at Mama's hand here and go to her other hand. Go all the way to her other hand. I think it's stopping at her head. Yep, it stops right there. Look.
Yeah. Press it.
Press it. All right. Mama's arm is 5 apples apparently.
And they're really tired. Maybe because the apples are kind of heavy on my arm.
I'm gonna eat the apple. I'm gonna eat the apple. If I eat the apple, I'm in your arm. Hey guys, thank you for measuring everything with us. Hope you had fun. Landon TV show on YouTube. Bye.